I apologize, and I think it's important to say that from time to time. When I humble myself, when I make myself low, when I make myself small, I see the world in a different way. In a good way, in a better way. Power. So let me zoom in. We're going to go to the left here and down. Note the article in the back, by the way. We're going to come back to that near the end. So let me give us a little reveal here. And we see an online, ongoing power measurement and temperature measurement. I don't know how well you can see. Yeah, you probably can see it okay. All right. So what are you seeing? You're seeing current RMS being measured by a digital multimeter. It's a new meter on the right, also a new meter, different kind, different brand. It couldn't make the current measurement, that's why we have two, and they're different. Anyways, temperature on the right meter, Fahrenheit. The high on that I've seen is 117. Peripherally, it's a zero airflow plastic box. There is some variation depending on what else is in contact with the box and how tightly the box is closed. 117 is the highest that I've recorded so far. Back to power, current. Again, the current measurement you're seeing is varying between 0.054 and 0.055. The initials on that were 0.056 and 57, so it's come down a little bit over this operating time. The board is a relatively new board. Not a lot of hours on it, so consider these measurements preliminary measurements. I believe they're valid. I have no reason to believe otherwise at this time. So what we've done is to calculate average power as IRMS times VRMS, VRMS being 120, and the IRMS as you're seeing on the display of the multimeter. So I'll zoom, pan back a little bit just so you can pick up a few more details going on here. The entire system is being powered from a power strip. The LCD monitor has its own wall bug separate from this measurement. The humble PC, mouse, and keyboard are what are being powered by the second wall bug, if you will. So power strip through sliced open extension cord with current measurement in series, or current digital multimeter in series with one leg of the power cord feeding wall bug feeding system. You get the idea. So more details are in the article that I've written, but essentially the 90% reduction that was predicted by the calculations using this kind of a method have been verified. So with that, I like to say, start humble.